Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to install Node-RED in the Raspberry Pi using the single command, okay? And this command will take care of the required dependencies. So let's see how you can install the Node-RED in the Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to copy this command and we will open the command prompt and we will log into our Raspberry Pi using SSH. So SSH parrot @ 192.168.1.14 and the password of my Raspberry Pi. Okay, so we have successfully logged into the Raspberry Pi. Now we want to install the Node-RED in the Raspberry Pi, and we have already copied this command. So I'm going to paste that command here in the terminal and then we will hit enter. Do you really want to do this? So yes, and we would like to install the Raspberry Pi specific node. Yes, so we will press enter. Okay, you can see it is performing the few steps to install the Node-RED in my Raspberry Pi. So it will take few time. You can say it will take 20 to 30 minutes to perform this operation. So you have to wait until it complete the operation. Okay, so you can see all the steps are completed successfully and we can access the Node-RED using localhost colon 1880, or you can see IP address of our Pi colon 1880. Okay, and if you want to start the Node-RED, then you can use command Node-RED. So let me start the Node-RED here in my Raspberry Pi. Okay, you can see Node-RED server is now running at http://localhost colon 1880. Now we can access the Node-RED using this format, http colon IP address of our Raspberry Pi colon 1880. So I'm going to open the new private window. Okay, now we will type the IP address of our Raspberry Pi 192.168.1.14 colon 1881. Okay, so sorry, let me check the IP. So the port is 1880. So here we have to change port 1880 and then we can hit enter. You can see we are able to access the Node-RED from our Raspberry Pi. Okay, I'm going to close it and here is our Node-RED flow editor. Okay, so this is how you can install Node-RED in the Raspberry Pi. All you have to do is you have to copy this command and you have to run this command in the Raspberry Pi terminal, and it will take care of the every dependencies and everything. And in the last you will have this detail that you can access your Node-RED using this IP address and port number, and you can use Node-RED for your IoT systems. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any questions or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also you can send me a mail. Also you can comment on this video. So let's meet in the future videos regarding Node-RED. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.